Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone, then you have to open contacts, find the contact for which you want to add a photo, tap on it, and then you tap on edit contact. And here to add a photo, you just have to tap on this camera icon. Then you have an option to take a photo or choose taken photo. Then you choose your photo, set it here and tap on done, and then confirm it here. And as you can see, photo is added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.